there, and welcome to the How to Be a Minimalist YouTube channel. I'm Katie, and I do these YouTube videos, and I write books all on minimalism and simple living tips. We also full-time RV, and today I wanted to take you along for a couple of things that we're going to do. Although during the school year we are stationary for the most part, today we are out on the road and I want to show you where we go. But first, breakfast. So good. Today we are on the Columbia River Gorge and doing a little hike at Beacon Rock. So we had to take our rig out to refill on propane, like we ran out all the way. And so I was like, hey, maybe we should just stay out over the weekend. And that way, you know, we're getting kind of like what we need taken care of, and then also we can enjoy ourselves. So we decided to go ahead and drive to the Columbia River, and we have been just having the nicest day. We ended up just sleeping at a rest area and woke up this morning and came to this Beacon Rock State Park, and it's beautiful. Every time I go hiking, it always amazes me now that like I was in such bad shape, because I didn't think I was. I knew I was overweight, but until I went to the doctor and saw my numbers and got some things taken care of, I didn't realize how unhealthy I was. And it wasn't until all of my ailments started going away that I realized exactly how unhealthy I was. You know, one of my main reasons for wanting to eat plant-based is, you know, I wanted to simplify our foods, but oh man, I really think that minimalism can apply so well to food. It's the whole quantity over quality. It's the whole quality over quantity thing. And also, I just didn't see how being so extreme in unhealthy foods was a good thing. It just wasn't, and my body was not happy with that. Minimalism has played such a huge part in this because living so simply and taking our time and resources and making them available for health has made such a huge impact. Even the things such as simple meal plans and stuff like that has just made it so much easier to lose weight and to be healthier and have the time and resources to do it. I want to be thinner. I feel like I personally look better and just am more athletic. Being a thinner person, I'm able to be more capable of doing things. I have stability and all of those sorts of things, but mostly it's because it's healthier for me to be thinner. And I'm not there, I'm not where I want to be exactly yet, but I'm getting there, and I'm so happy with the weight that I lost last year. And it stalled. I learned a lot. I lost some more weight in the spring, but over the summer I just sort of put a little bit back on. And so getting back to just those super basic healthy foods, I feel so much better and just athletic. This hike, even though it's short, at the beginning of last year, it would have been so hard for me. I would have been breathing hard. It would have been really difficult for me to do. So being healthier is amazing. It's allowed me just to be able to do so much more, and I'm hoping that it has added years to my life to be able to eat healthier in this way. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog style video, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe. It totally helps to grow the channel. Remember, it's all about the experiences, not the stuff.